In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix menu link problems in Wix Studio. It can be frustrating when the links on your menu aren't functioning as they should, interrupting the smooth navigation you've worked so hard to achieve. Not to worry, resolving these issues can be simpler than you might think. Let's delve into a straightforward process that will have your Wix menu links running smoothly and efficiently. To begin, we want to ensure that any issues with your menu links are not due to stored browsing data. Browsers usually accumulate data over time, including cached images, cookies, and other session data, all of which can occasionally interfere with the proper functioning of websites. So our first approach involves clearing this data to eliminate any such potential interference. First, head over to your browser's settings. Typically, you'll find a settings menu in the upper right corner of your browser. It might be represented by three dots or a small gear icon. Click on it and look for an option labeled Settings. After clicking on it, navigate through the list to find Privacy and Security. This is where you can manage your browsing data. Once there, you'll see an option to Clear Browsing Data. Select this option and you will encounter a menu with checkboxes offering you choices on what kind of data you wish to remove. Make sure the boxes for cached images and files, along with cookies and other site data, are checked. Doing this ensures that all temporary data that might be causing link issues will be erased. Now that you've cleared the data, the next step is to test if this has resolved the issue. Close your settings window and go back to Wix Studio. Reload your site and check if the menu link problems persist. If they do, the problem might lie within the site's setup itself rather than the browser data. Should the link still not work correctly, consider checking your site's design and link settings directly within Wix. Sometimes incorrect linking on the dashboard or linking to deleted or moved pages can be an overlooked issue. Double-check each link to confirm that it targets the correct URL or page section. In summary, by taking the time to clear your browser's cache and cookies, you often directly address the underlying issue causing the menu links to falter. This simple maintenance step can eliminate various unforeseen problems associated with how browsers interact with websites. Remember, consistent functionality checks are key to ensuring a smooth user experience for your site's visitors. A routine clearing of your browser's cache, especially if you frequently make updates to your website, can serve as an additional measure to keep everything running as intended. If problems continue, don't hesitate to explore other support resources or technical assistance options provided by Wix.